Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you guys requested for part 2 of recreating a random Instagram outfit. So yeah, part 2 of recreating a random Instagram outfit. You guys requested for it, so I'm trying to do it. So that's what I'm doing today. This is the first outfit. This first outfit, I'll insert the picture of the person um I'm trying to recreate the outfits. Yeah, the person I'm trying to recreate her outfit. I'll put her inside her picture here. She's actually wearing white top. I mean white shirt. I don't have white shirt, so I'm wearing green. That's what I have. So I told you guys at the beginning, it's not going to be exactly the same thing, but at least something similar to the something similar to the uh, something similar. Okay, something similar. Yeah, I'm doing something similar to what the person wore, so must not be the same thing. So yeah, let's go and do the shoot. Even the shoe is not the same, but something similar. You remember? Hey guys, so yeah, I I was editing my video for recreating Instagram outfits, and I found out that most of the video I did not talk. I was just taking pictures, dress, got. But seriously, that thing can be frustrating. It can it's just so exhausting. So I even forgot that I'm supposed to be doing video, like talking in the video. What I do is just, I'll come and change clothes, go and snap, come back, change clothes, go and snap. So you guys, I'm so sorry. So I'm going to be telling you guys about the outfit. So this outfit right here, it was it was not easy to put it together, and looking for location too was kind of not funny at all. Yeah, looking for location for this one was not funny. For the top, white top, and the and the trouser that, like like call it old school trouser. Yeah, old school trouser. That outfit, the location was not here. We found location, we did not see location, and post man manage it. So the next one, this one was funny that I have to go. We have to go. Me and my photographer has to go to a restaurant. And when we got there, people were there at the restaurant, because that's the kind of setting too. So people were there, and oh my god, my photographer was just so shy. I mean, I'm the one that's supposed to be shy. All you have to do is snap picture. I'm even the one that is going to be posing. Like, that's why we did not get the perfect picture here, because she was shy, and me too. I was kind of shy, but not that shy. So I was just take, let's go. So the posing wasn't that so good. It wasn't so great. Yes, manage it. And yeah, this one, it was struggle too. The struggle was mad real. It was real. The struggle was real, but we made it. Yeah, at the end of the day, we tried. We tried to put things together just for you guys. It was not easy at all. At all. Gosh, there's so many outfits I was supposed to film, but the stress, man, I just said I'm not filming this one. But yeah, I tried my best. I tried to recreate some outfits that are not, some of them are not really the same, some of them are just not the same, but something similar to it. Yeah, and this one right here, oh gosh, oh my god. So yeah, it was not easy making those videos. I mean, pictures, taking those pictures. I'm forgetting that I'm supposed to do video, and here I am doing the video for you guys. It was not easy. Seriously, it was not so easy. So you'll be seeing what I wore versus what the person wore. I will be putting the pictures together so that you guys will see and be nice, please. I know I do not do so well. I know, but at least I tried. I tried. Like it was fun doing it, but it was stressful at the same time. So yeah, guys, please manage it. Thank you so much. I think I did outro there. Bye. So guys, after filming those video, I saw one Instagram, no, not Instagram, YouTube cupcake hacks. So I want to try it and see if it will work. So yes, I'll show you guys the hacks, hack, the hack, the hacks. Oh, I might do only one, so the hack. Yeah, so let me try it. Let's see. So the person say all you need is flour, a little vanilla extract, baking powder, cacao. This is milk and sugar. That's all you need for this recipe. So let's see. So guys, I'm microwaving it. Let's see how it goes. I feel like I have a feeling this is going to be a disaster. It's going to be a whole fail. But let's see. Never can tell. So guys, after 1 minute, this is what it looks like inside the cup. It kind of looks good, like kind of looks good, but let's test it first and see. Okay, are you guys ready for the tasting? Sorry, I'm backing the light, so yeah. Ooh, it's done though. It's done. And it's fluffy, man. You see? Not that great. Not that great. Not that bad either. I wasn't expecting it to be good like this. Wow. It's really fluffy, guys. Really, really fluffy. Whoa. It's good. I like it. I think I'll give it another try or next time. I just put small so that don't mess everywhere up. So guys, let's try the second recipe. The second person said that we need this side butter. It's not focusing. Focus. We need butter, flour, cacao, sugar, and egg. Let's get this one done. Let's see which is preferable, if it's A or B. So guys, this is the finished look. I don't know. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's 2 cups I did though, so I don't want it to fill and splash everywhere. So this is what it looks like. And the person actually used vanilla extract and used vegetable oil and milk. She didn't put it at the beginning. Anyways, so this is the outcome. We have to try it to know the best between this one and the first one. So guys, let's try it. The first impression, removing it is kind of hard, like rubber. I don't understand. Yesterday's own was softer. But, so the first one was better, way better than this.